At dawn, trucker John Doe headed east on 4-lane Pickwick Pike. The sun rose in a cloudless sky and the traffic was light. Doe looked forward to an easy trip with a stash of granola bars and a jug of hot coffee at the ready. But his milk run was about to turn sour. Pickwick Pike dead-ended at Route 7, where he needed to turn left. To ensure room for the wide turn, Doe got into the right lane, and when the light turned green, Doe eyeballed Route 7 traffic for any red light runners before he cautiously started to execute his turn. In the adjacent turn lane, a city school bus driver also started to turn left, but he didn't turn sharply enough and moved partially into Doe's lane. Shocked to disbelief, Doe stopped dead and sounded his horn. The bus driver failed to react, though, and sideswiped Doe's rig. It took another granola bar to calm Doe down, but even that couldn't help him get over the warning letter he received from the safety director for the preventable accident. Doe disagreed that he should have hung back and anticipated that the bus would encroach on his lane. Asked to resolve the dispute, the National Safety Council's Accident Review Committee ruled in Doe's favor. He had proceeded with caution and acted appropriately, but still fell prey to the bus driver, who had plenty of room to maneuver and initially did not appear to pose a threat, the committee said.